All right, so this is pretty regularly common during spring, summer, fall. We got these guys trying to cross the road.
Here, get behind me. There we go.
He's a pretty good size one. Is that like a red-eared slider or a painted turtle?
It's actually moving really quick. I'm helping him cross the road.
Come on, Holmes. There you go. Oh, he's whizzing. They always do that. Hopefully, here we go again. Another turtle crossing the road. Come on. Aw. Don't be scared. Maybe I'll help you cross. Come on. Okay, I'm putting him over this fence. There you go. So he can go free away from the road. Bye, Mr. Turtle. All right, quick garden tour. Quick, because afterwards, we're gonna make it quick. You gotta walk quicker. These are all tomatoes. Stay out there. These are all tomatoes. They've doubled in size in the last week. I swear, it's crazy. Our little compost row system is working very well. Right, Sarah?
Right.
So these are our little heirloom tomatoes. They're going a little slower. We got zucchinis. We got these lemon cucumbers, which are kind of like sucky a little bit. I don't know, but we got yellow zucchini, more yellow squash. We even got little ones growing in here. We got peppers, more like jalapeno peppers, looks like. All these onions, I don't know, these are like the candy onions. They're a little smaller. The Walla Wallas are doing better. And then we got beets on the end. Beets are amazing. They grow beets, but then these greens, man, they're the best greens ever. Just like mustard greens or collard greens. Then we got green beans. And then if you look closely over here, oh well, sorry, yeah. Sarah's flowers. She got bargain flowers because she bought dead ones and tried to bring them back to life. Some of them didn't make it. And then our herb garden. Okay, so the next part of the video, I'm gonna be taking a quick walk off of our front porch and show you these trails that we have in the forest that lead out to an open area.